Like I said to you, मैं भी आप लोगों से कह रही थी, आप में से प्रत्येक अपने लिए एक, मैं आपको आज होमवर्क दे रही हूँ, एक कागज पे लिखिएगा आप अपने को आज से 5 साल बाद कहाँ देखते हैं, आप अपने को आज से 10 साल बाद कहाँ देखते हैं, और आप अपने को आज से 20 साल बाद कहाँ देखते हैं. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Where do you see yourself 10 years from now? And where do you see yourself 20 years from now? जब आप अपने लिए ये करेंगे एक्सरसाइज, इससे क्या होता है, आपको अपने गोल्स पता चले. When you are writing, जब इसका उत्तर लिखेंगे, बिल्कुल let your don't be practical, impractical thought भी आने दीजिएगा. It's the new scientific infrastructure, all this multiple geographies in a country as large as India. Geographies are a reason. They are not a challenge, but they are a cause for flexibility. We have to be very flexible when planning. Planning cannot be a very large macro plan, will never work for India because regional conditions will differ. भारतवर्ष के लिए आप एक बड़ा सा मैक्रो प्लान, बृहद प्लान बना के नहीं थोप सकते हैं. आपको स्थानीय जो अंतर है, स्थानीय विषमताएं, अंतर, उनके लिए हमेशा नियोजन करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि अगर नहीं करेंगे, what will apply in Manipur will not apply in Kerala maybe, or maybe what will apply in Manipur will not work for Uttarakhand.
अभी तो गर्मी के टाइम बहुत सूखेगी, सबसे कम पानी लाइफ में इसमें. So today we are visiting China Peak, which is the tallest peak here in Nainital. There it is. Currently I am with Dr. Ritesh, our course coordinator, and we are taking a short bit of a scooter ride to the base of the peak. As you can see, it's beautiful. I mean, you know, the mountain ranges, the greenery. It's a beautiful sunny day. Very beautiful indeed. A beautiful sunny day. Perfect for hiking. And I'm trying this. That is, I'm hiking to the tallest hill here in Nainital. I'll get a wonderful view of the city and everything down below. So that's us riding the bike. Camel's back. Oh, the camel's back, which is another trekking spot. But China Peak is definitely the largest, the highest rather. 2,600 feet above sea level. Still at the early stages of the climb.
And I could hear the breathe of Srijit. I don't know how he's going to make it.
Yeah.
But definitely he's going to enjoy. This is such a beautiful place. Oh, here you can see the greenery, the color of nature. And look at Srijit. He's taking rest. He's really tired now.
So that's a steep climb. As you can see, the vegetation really demanding. Not for the people from the plains, I would say. The beautiful view once again. The sun rays filtering through the thick foliage. So we are halfway through the trek to China Peak, which is the tallest peak here around Nainital. It's an arduous trek. We've climbed halfway through. It's a warm, sunny afternoon here in early December. Temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius at an altitude of 2,300 meters. Is that right?
Yeah.
2,300 right. I'm halfway through the climb right now. We initially had a patch which had solid cemented steps. This stretch that I'm currently on is the jungle track. So mostly rocks, gravels and all of that. The scenery around me is indescribably beautiful. Excellent Himalayan vegetation, pine trees, deodas, oak trees. Very different vegetation from what we see in South India.
Dr. Ritesh is ahead of me. He is not having all the problems that I am having with breathing and walking. He's comfortably racing through. That's the view again. So there is a river there, the Cozy River. Not sure if the camera is able to pick it up really well. And the Jim Corbett National Park is around there. It's a little hazy today. Even otherwise, the camera resolution may not quite pick it up. Oh God, I'm in the middle of a deodar forest. Cool mountain breeze again. It's an experience. It's a really wonderful experience of my life to be doing this trek. Huh.
Less now.
Oh, we are less than 100 meters from the summit. We are about to reach there. Been walking for an hour and a half roughly. About to reach. I think more than the climb, more than the peak, more than the destination, we're enjoying the journey. Half the fun is in getting there. Last 100 meters, Dr. Ritesh is still completely comfortable, not struggling for breath or anything. He's climbing up as if we are climbing down. Absolutely no hassle.
Nothing like that.
Yeah. I'm, as you can see, struggling for breath. I'm on top of China Peak, which is one of the highest altitude places here in Nainital. And behind me is the Himalayas. I can't believe that I am seeing this day. I've trekked for 3 kilometers. It's taken me almost 2 hours to get here. And what we see behind me is Nanda Devi, the twin peaks. Not very sure if the camera can pick it up. To the right of it, we have the Panchachuli, 5 peaks of the Pandavas. To the left, you have 3 peaks. It's called the Trishul, the Trident, 3 peaks there. Again, camera may not quite do justice to it, but it's been a most memorable hike up to China Peak. I'm so really loving this. That's the Himalayas there. The most prominent twin peak which the camera is picking up is Nanda Devi. And to the east of it is East Nanda Devi. You also can see Trishul, the left of it, and to the far right is the Panchachuli group of 5 mountains, which is named after the Pandavas from the Mahabharata. Breathtaking views all.
It's like the हंसी वादियाँ खुला आसमान.
हंसी वादियाँ खुला आसमां. ये कहाँ आ गए? Awesome. So, truly one of those very special moments in life. You're sitting somewhere at the foothills of the Himalayas, so to speak, at an altitude of 2,800 plus meters.
Yeah.
Yeah, and having this nice snack, evening snack.
My altitude is right now 2,381 meters.
2,380 meters. Okay. It's around 5 in the evening now.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we're on top of
2 minutes to 5.
we're on top of a hill. We are getting the sun filtering through. So we took a bit of a break during our descent. Had some namkeen and sat and chatted for a bit, enjoying the sun. And sun is beginning to set now. Now we are into what they call this golden hour. Golden rays of the sun. It's a beautiful view now. Sun could set in another 10 minutes or so. So this is the best part of the setting sun. So that is a setting sun. minutes away from sunset, perhaps seconds away. The sun is just set. It's gone behind the winter line. The sun has just set, so it's beginning to get a little dark. So we intentionally delayed our descent to catch the sunset. So immediately we can perceive a drop in temperature. Just as the sun went down, it's become significantly colder. We are still around 20 meters or 20 minutes rather away from the base point. Still so much walking to do, but fortunately we are going downhill, so it's not going to be so much problematic. It's 5:45 now, almost reached the bottom, but you can see how dark it is. It's pitch dark. I'll turn the camera around. So it's just 5:45. So you lose as soon as sun sets. You completely sort of gets very very dark here in the hills. And that building there, that's the starting point of our hike. And finally we completed successfully a very memorable day of trekking. इसमें I was thinking यहाँ पे वो उसका बारे में लिख देंगे,
एजुकेट करना है
Amazon के बारे में, internet
वो आएगा
opportunities,
सर
हाँ।
इसमें है ना आप एक बार पूरा देख लो फिर कहाँ पे आपको क्या ऐड करना है ना वो डिस्कस करते हैं
ठीक है।
ये हिस्ट्री है
एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री क्या
हाँ।
3
बिलियन पे
बिलियन
बिलियन
मान
तो
के
3 समझ में आएगा।
तो निकाल
Small b
देते
लिखना चाहिए ना।
तो निकाल देंगे
उसका कन्वेंशन इज टू राइट इन स्मॉल b, बिलियन, मिलियंस इज स्मॉल
Millions,
मल्टी बिलियन है
किलो
इसमें
अच्छा
मल्टी
क्या
बिलियन
वी विल मॉडिफाई इट,
इसमें चेंज कर सकते
हम
हैं
बात बदल सकते हैं। हाँ
जहाँ
अच्छा
जगह
वेरी
है।
सादा हेमा को आप
अरे मैंने फोन किया है।
अच्छा ठीक है। ग्लोबल हैंड-knitted products market is a multi-billion-dollar industry with a significant growth potential. Holds the largest market share followed by United States, Germany. ओके ठीक है बढ़िया। बट लेकिन ये पाई चार्ट किसके लिए? वी शुड बी पॉपुलर।
ये आप यहाँ पे मतलब
मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं।
इसमें नहीं आएगा उसमें आ रहा था कि आप ये बाहर आता है
ये कितना परसेंटेज
है एनिमेटेड
चाहे तो हटा दिएगा चाहे कर रहे हैं।
ठीक 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 है।
ये है ग्लोबल हुआ। अब इंडिया में उत्तराखंड का क्या है मतलब
शेयर क्या है?
हाँ शेयर क्या है 12.5% है अभी अदर बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया। जम्मू कश्मीर और वो
सबसे ज्यादा
हिमाचल
हिमाचल
वो ज़्यादा है ये दोनों का ज़्यादा है। अब यहाँ में फोटो रखने है आपके
अच्छा अरे हाँ वो आपने लगाया है वन
यहाँ पर रखने
और भी रख देंगे
हर जगह अपने जहाँ खाली जगह वो फोटो लगा
हाँ
देंगे।
हमने बात करी सबसे। हाँ
हाँ जब जहाँ जहाँ जगह पे तो हमारे फोटो आते रहने चाहिए बीच में।
ये लोग काम किया है
काम किया है इसमें। यहाँ एक फोटो आएगा ये नीचे चला जाएगा 4 लाइन में आ जाएगी फोटो। चैलेंज क्या है वुमन यहाँ पे जो
कॉमा हटा दीजिए। एचडी में एक फुल स्टॉप
नहीं भी लगेगा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं ऐसी। हाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
आपका डॉक्टर है ना
ठीक है मेरा
पर सरनेम
नहीं बस ठीक है
चलेगा
नहीं चलेगा अभी बात।
सर यहाँ पे हमारा
चारों
आता है ना ऐसा
हाँ,
फोटो
वो एक फोटो
डालना है यहाँ नीचे।
है कि चारों का नहीं तो
नहीं मैं मुझे नहीं चारों वाला है क्या?
वो डालना
I
है।
keep transferring to my laptop. Space बचा नहीं।
I have some early morning visitors today. In fact, there are 2 species. I really don't know the names of these. The other one has got black face, it's got longer tail. This one is also there, but I don't see them simultaneously. When one group arrives, the other one leaves. So, 2 groups of monkeys around here in the campus, Kumaon University campus here in Nainital. And they're quite comfortable, they don't feel threatened and they don't trouble us either. At least not as yet, I hope that doesn't change.
A comfortable presence generally. We don't threaten them, they don't threaten us. They're having an early morning snack. Biscuits, I presume.
We were having lunch, all of a sudden it started snowing, and I'm out here to capture this beautiful moment. This is once in a lifetime opportunity, and I just feel like I'm in a different world altogether. It's awesome. It's not like you don't really feel the chill as much as I thought it would, but still an awesome feeling. This session, it's early December and it is unexpectedly snowing, so we are celebrating it. Having this awesome sound. Yay! Success! And enjoy the snowfall. Wow! It's snowing today, quite unexpectedly. All of us are very excited about it. So you can see the snow that is collected on the ground. Unbelievable. Some of it has got a little dirty because of people have been walking on it, but overall it's a magical experience. So people are out and about dancing and celebrating. So this is the Nainital winter experience. Snow all around. All of a sudden, it's around 3 in the afternoon. Quite unexpected snowing. Yeah, all of a sudden, I can see the sun also. So it's not going to last for very long then. It had snowed yesterday, so you can see remnants of the snow, and with the first rays of the morning sun, you can see that the snow has melted from the top and it's beginning to fall. And this is our Kamal ji, who has been very helpful. Namaste. और कैसा कल का बढ़िया वो था ना? कल बढ़िया था मौसम, कल बर्फ भी गिरी थी. हाँ, रात में काफी ठंड भी था. हाँ जी. टेम्परेचर -1 था. -2 था शायद. -2 हाँ, -1 -2 था. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं. हाँ, मौसम जी 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 जी. अभी आप देख लीजिए. अभी सुबह सुबह morning, all the snow has melted. Water is coming down, pouring down. So sun is back, and we are so very grateful. So areas where sun rays haven't fallen, you can still see the snow cover, especially on scooters, cars. Oh, it's hardened. Oh no. So sun will have to come and do its magic. All the cars in the parking lot, all under thick snow, actually thick cover of snow. So today we are on our way to Tiffin Top, which is one of the high peaks around here in Nainital.
After China Peak.
After China Peak, perhaps the second highest after China Peak. We are headed there. It should be around 10 o'clock in the morning now, 10:30? 10 o'clock, okay. हाँ. वो रात को है अभी होगा. वो रात को है -1. अभी क्या होगा? 7 degrees.
तो था रात को भी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
और आज रात को होने वाला है -2.
-2. अच्छा, इधर से उधर से. Demanding trek. We are climbing up, taking it very very slow.
Sister.
हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ.
Her sister was professor in mathematics department.
हाँ.
Okay. I studied from her. So you can see how are they privileged.
Exactly. Yes.
Who's-
तो आप लोग सिर्फ टिफिन करने के लिए आते थे यहाँ पे?
हाँ बस
हाँ?
enjoy,
खाना लेके आगे?
खाना लेके फिर घूमने पर
अच्छा।
फिर भूख लगी तो हाँ खाना खाएंगे, धूप में आराम से थोड़ी देर गप्पे सप्पे फिर चलिए। वो रहता था पूरा हमेशा। अब हमारे पास और घूमने की जगह तो थी नहीं मार्केट में, ज़्यादा ऐसा कोई जगह है नहीं,
कोई देख लेगा।
इसलिए इधर आए अपना पूरा
प्लेन काफी है। हाँ अरे वही मैंने कहा इतनी ऊंचाई पे इतना
अभी तो
कोई
मैं
उस समय यहाँ प्लांटेशन
अरे
पूरा हुआ होगा ना,
चल जा रहे हो
प्लेन किया गया हुआ हो सकता है।
नहीं, सबसे बड़ा मैंने फिर मॉल रोड पे देखा है स्ट्रेट,
हाँ।
कहीं और पे नहीं है।
नहीं।
बाकी आप चढ़ो या उतरो। हाँ, पहली बार थोड़ा सा लेवल प्लेस।
सर फिर दोनों पे चलो, पहले कहाँ चलोगे, वहाँ या यहाँ?
देखो एक काम करते हैं, पहले वो क्लिप चलते हैं,
चलो ठीक है।
क्लिप चलने के बाद वापस आएंगे, फिर टिफिन टॉप होते हैं 12 बजे से नीचे जाएंगे।
दो तो पीस इट वर्थ इट।
यस यस
हाँ, हम ऐसे मतलब मरे पड़े हुए हैं।
अरे
भैया
नहीं,
देखो हम यहाँ हैं,
हार्डली
देखो
15 मिनट।
हम यहाँ हैं
जी।
या चले हम चलिए।
और सुमन सर चले।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
This trek certainly is not as demanding as the one to China Peak. That was a lot more tiring actually. Or perhaps I've got used to climbing.
1 lakh rupees.
उससे ज़्यादा ही।
You have to spend approximately 1.5
1.5 lakhs. I spent 1 month. Almost 5 weeks हो गया.
approx.
Yes, to spend here.
Yes,
So
yes.
for me, I see it as a huge blessing that I got, that I could spend so much time on a hill station and meet all these wonderful people.
I will remember it forever.
Yes, yes, yes. That is the reason all these things are also being recorded.
Right. You are definitely right.
अब हम लोग 1 घंटे का
एक घंटे के बाद
1 घंटे के ट्रक के बाद ऊपर पहुंचे हैं टिफिन टॉप के ऊपर, और अच्छा नज़ारा दिख रहा है यहाँ पे पीछे नैनीताल का पूरा शहर, और लेक भी दिख रहा है। बढ़िया नज़ारा है, कूल ब्रीज, और इट्स अ ऑसम फीलिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
लाइफ टाइम याद रहेगा ये
बिल्कुल जी बिल्कुल। That's a beautiful view down below. Almost it took us an hour to get here. Today is a little hazy, so the camera may not be able to pick up the Himalayas, which are much beyond, and cloudy also. So it's warm and sunny up here, and hence it's quite enjoyable to sit here on the top of the hill. Okay, we just finished our tiffin top. So opposite that is, what is that top again? Cliff top. Okay, so we are headed towards cliff top now.
मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है,
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
यहाँ से सारा आपको पूरा नैनीताल की जितनी भी पहाड़ियाँ हैं वो सारी
सब-
पहाड़ियाँ दिख
सब
रही हैं
चीज़ दिख
आपको।
रहा है यहाँ पे।
चाहे वो कैमल पीक रही हो, चाहे वो चाइना पीक रही हो, सारी
जी।
पीक्स यहाँ से दिख रहे हैं।
जी।
और बहुत अच्छा सा नज़ारा देखने में लग रहा है। यहाँ
जी।
पे बहुत सारे देवदार के बहुत डेंस जो है वो जंगल
फॉरेस्ट
है यहाँ
वगैरह
पर।
जंगल है।
या बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर।
और ऊपर चढ़ने में और ठंड भी महसूस हो रहा है ना
हाँ,
थोड़ा
ये
सा।
मौसम जो है इस समय बारिश का सा होता जा रहा है। अब लग रहा है कि फिर बर्फबारी भी हो सकती है। अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं
जी।
अपने एमटीसी के लिए,
जी,
क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका
हो
है,
चुका है
time
लंच का
हो जा रहा
टाइम।
है।
जी,
और काफ़ी समय से हम यहाँ पे
घूम रहे हैं, ट्रैकिंग पे है।
घूम रहे हैं, ट्रैकिंग कर रहे हैं काफ़ी समय से।
जी,
तो अब हम वापस जा रहे
वापस जाने का टाइम हो गया।
हैं। यस यस।
अरे भाई साहब मोहब्बत के शाहरुख खान वाला पोज हो रहा है तो आपका बढ़िया ही बात है।
जिसे रहते थे वही बात हो गई। आहा हा 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 हा। This is a very good song. No, no, this is a very good song. That Tabu and Ajay Devgan. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity to present this small social action project which we undertook in the last 3 weeks that we spent here. So when we go out for a stroll in the afternoons, sometimes we observe women sitting around and doing knitting and sort of, basking in the sun. And in fact, the time that they spend in the sun is more productive. Small, tiny efforts, and if it is collaborated and it is channelized in the right way, you can actually bring an enormous amount of prosperity to, like say, they brought villages of Anand, Gujarat. So this is something, like say, for instance, hand weaving or hand knitting is a traditional practice of these parts of the hills, especially Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and these states.
तो उन्होंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दिए, उससे हमें पता चला कि वो क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं। जैसे कि उनको हमने बोला कि आपको ये टाइम कितना लगता है बनाने, तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि 1 से 2 दिन हमें लग जाता है एक प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए। तो हमें नंबर्स ऑफ ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो वो कंफ्यूज हो गए कि इतने सारे हम नहीं बना पाएंगे। फिर उन्होंने डिस्कस किया और बोले कि हाँ हम
So there is a need, and the global statistics issued by WHO shows.
So if you look at the global statistics on the suicide rates in the youth, you'll be shocked to know that there are almost 720,000 people die every year suicide. And it is the 4th most common reason for the death in the age group of 15 to 29, mentioned as in the WHO report of 2021. And it is more prominent in the low and middle income nations, and males are more likely than females to commit suicide, based on as shown in this graph. So what are the causes, what are the factors which is actually causing this suicide to go up?
Over there you'll see only one person who is working with the governmental organization, and he's taking all the products from the village people, from raw material till the final product, and then he is the one who is sending those what we say baskets and all to the lower parts of
So the
India.
problem is somewhere very similar to Group A.
Yeah. So
There's a
awareness
problem in middlemen.
so even awareness about the government programs is also very important.
रस रचीलो साज सजीलो शुभ जे आवे आछा आछा टमटमाता श्रवणाओ जे लावे
Giant looking macaque. It's quite impressive. It's posing, it's basking in the sun. It probably knows I mean no harm. It's making sure that I'm not trying to attack it. And he's on its way.
जैसे कि आज हमारा FIP का लास्ट दिन है और यहाँ से जाने की खुशी भी है और साथ में जाने का एक बड़ा सा दुख है कि आप लोगों से फिर पता नहीं कब मुलाकात होगी। मैं कॉलेज के समय एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी थी, वो आप लोगों को समर्पित है। जीवन में कब किसी को मनचाहा वरदान मिला, जीवन में कब किसी को मनचाहा वरदान मिला, सुख और दुख है जीवन का सिलसिला, सुख और दुख है जीवन का सिलसिला। पथ में होंगे कांटे अक्सर, कहीं पर होगा फूल खिला, पथ में होंगे कांटे अक्सर, कहीं पर होगा फूल खिला, कभी चुभन तो कभी सुमन है जिंदगी का सिलसिला।
और थोड़ी देर में बस हम जुदा हो जाएंगे,
और थोड़ी देर में बस हम जुदा हो जाएंगे, आपको ढूंढेगी नजरें, रास्ते खो जाएंगे। नाम ही तो आपने अपना बताया,
आपने दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर में बसाया आपने. We've completed 30 days of our FIP here. So we are going to be given our certificates today, and we're all waiting for the chief guest to arrive in this hall.
आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत और अभिनंदन. और आज इस कार्यक्रम को हम लोग सफलतापूर्वक पूरा करने जा रहे हैं.
You have all participated to the best of your ability. You brought in a lot of synergy, a lot of positive energy to this course. And I congratulate you. You've all successfully completed the course.
In last,
So,
we have
yes,
this certificate.
yes.
We are from last 1 month
Yes.
to get this
Gold
certificate.
Yes, yes.
This is our gold.
अच्छा गोल्ड मेरे को कैसे गोल्ड सर्टिफिकेट
Gold
Golden certificate we have this.
got it
today.
And this in 1 or 2 years, this certificate is going to work for us.
It will make you an associate professor.
No, scale 1.
Okay.
Scale 1. The so from 6,000 grade pay, we'll go to 7,000 grade pay with this certificate.
Wonderful. चलिए. तो सेशन
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबसे मिलकर because diversity
कम लोग
का-
थे इसलिए थोड़ा सा
वो भी
ज्यादा होते ना तो फिर मुश्किल थोड़ी सी.
वो तो होता ही है और diversity
नीचे बैठे हुए हैं हम तो मुजफ्फरनगर में.
फुट ऑफ द हिल्स.
और भले ही कम थे पर डाइवर्सिटी ज़्यादा थी. तो डाइवर्सिटी ज़्यादा होने से सीखने को भी आपको बहुत कुछ मिलता है ना.
5 लोग तो यूपी उत्तराखंड के मिला के 6 लोग हो गए थे.
फिर भी सी सुनो ना हम यूपी को
अलग ही नहीं मानता. This border doesn't mean anything for us.
उत्तराखंड एक साइड बैठता है क्या?
हाँ, वो
उस दिन ये भी बैठी थी साइड में. मैं सुमन साहब और
सारे
ये-
लोग केरला से यूपी. तो सर वही लोग कर रहे थे. हाँ तो सारे यूपी थे.
यूपी उत्तराखंड एक साथ रहते हैं. Each other,
Okay.
but of the other person.
So this is the last day of our program here, and the program is over.
Yeah.
Half of us have left
Yes.
the training program.
It's very emotional.
Yes, and so we are just headed down to
Crying now.
Malital for the last time. So I'm going to pick up some condiments there. I've got a 2-day train journey, so I'll pick up something for munching on in the train. And feels a little awkward that people have left after a month, and there is a feeling of emptiness all around. No. Okay, now that the program is over, it was 1 month. How did it go? What was the best part of the program? About the program?
For me, all the resource persons were very good.
Okay.
Most of them. Like
Okay.
it was only 1 or 2 resource persons which I didn't like much. But then it was, each session was something with which I, got something, which obviously I'm going to apply also. Apart from that, we also learn from each other, right?
Okay. So what was the best session for you? Like of all the 60?
I think ICT.
ICT was the best one for you?
I like ICT.
Okay. Somehow I liked it our section because there were a lot of practicals. I know a lot of people found it difficult. R Python.
That's what
I enjoyed it a
Even
little bit.
R and Python.
Yeah,
Even
it was quite enjoyable
because
actually.
that was something which was the other things were also good, but then most of the things were which we already
This
go
also
through
had a
and we
little bit
know.
of
But then this was something very
different,
new
yes,
and very much applicable
True.
and probably
And we also had practicals for that, so that made it a little engaging.
very nice.
I
And
found it quite engaging. I don't know for other people.
For
If you
me
don't
too.
have, if you don't have a background in that, that would have been the most difficult session actually.
even I don't have a background in that, but then I am very enthusiastic to learn. And probably my PhD is also going on, and I know that it will be very helpful for me.
Helpful in that.
That's why I have to go here.
This one, yeah. Even I have to go get some peanuts.
Okay.
Got to spend 60 hours in the train, so I got to munch on something.
So it was good.